Hello world. In this video we're going to explore how we can add any Git repository as an MCP server to probably any kind of code editor. And the way it works is via Git MCP. So you go to this website, gitmcp.io, you can also search it of course, and then just click on the link and you get there. And there basically all you need to do is you just copy paste the GitHub repo you're interested in. In this case there's already an example which you can use. If you go to try example, then you get landgraph. And then basically what we have to do is just click on to MCP. And here we go and we get everything here what we need to configure for any kind of code editor we want to use. So you want to use Cursor, you can use this one. If you use Cloud Desktop, you have this one, windsurf, VSCode, and so on. So just an example, if I use VSCode for now, I can go there and there I can see the server and so on. So and all I need to do now is just take this, Control C to copy it, and then I go back into VSCode. You can also copy the whole code if you want, but in this case I prefer to do it this way. I go here, and then I go into the view and go to my command palette, and then I can search for MCP. If you enter MCP here, you can use MCP add server, and then you just need to specify it's an HTTP. Yes it is, and then you just paste in the URL we had, like that, and then you also need to have some kind of name, and I prefer to have the same name as here, so I go with Landgraph docs. I use this, Control C to copy it, go back to Visual Studio Code, and just paste this inside like that. Press enter, and you see you're good to go. In the mcp.json, you have now landgraph docs, URL, and the type. Edit, and now you basically are able to use this in your GitHub Copilot. So under the tools should be available. So if I just create a new chat as an example, and I search for it, so let's say, what are best practices? And then for, in this case, landgraph. So if I go there and now it's working, and basically it's now fetching the service. You can see here it's running landgraph docs, which is fetch the documents, and I can go to continue, and then it would use the MCP server to get the latest information from this documentation. And that can be done for any kind of a GitHub repo actually you want to use. So Git MCP is it. So I think it's quite useful, and it's very easy to set up. So hopefully you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, please share it with your friends. Also, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks a lot, take care, and see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.